You kids with your iPhones and your tablets, you have no idea what school was like in 1994. Like, advanced technology was literally you put chalk inside a holder so you didn't get your hands dirty with chalk. That was advancements back in 1994. I'm an old man. Hey folks, I'm Matt from Fidel Gastro. Summer is over. No more camps, no more cottages, no more backyard barbecues. They're all done. Kids are at school, they're out of your hair. Thank goodness for that. But guess what? They still gotta eat. I know, three meals a day. 3 meals a day. These kids are always eating. So I actually think the fourth meal of the day, one of the most important. Snack time. It's that meal in between coming home from school and dinner time. It's gotta be quick, it's gotta be fast, and if you can get leftovers out of the fridge, check, check, check. So this is a perfect opportunity to show you a do-it-yourself snack time. We're gonna make nacho pizza. What's great about this? Kids will get super excited about hearing about the words nacho pizza. Oh my God, I want nacho pizza. And it's fast, it's simple, takes no real cooking. You don't have to worry about dough. You're welcome. Okay, let's cook. To make your nacho pizza, start by preheating your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Then start by lining your baking sheet with parchment paper. Spread your chips evenly on the baking sheet, and we're only gonna make one layer here because it's gonna be more like a pizza that way. Spoon on your tomato sauce, sprinkle with grated white cheddar and mozzarella cheese. And now I'm gonna top my nacho pizza with my favorite pizza toppings. Pepperoni, sliced green olives, red pepper, green pepper, and onions. Lastly, take a little bit of olive oil and drizzle over the top. Bake in the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 10 to 12 minutes or until your cheese is nice and bubbly. Then carefully pull your nacho pizza out of the oven and garnish with fresh basil. Well, there you have it, folks. The perfect back-to-school, after-school snack, the nacho pizza. It's pretty much mathematics. It's nacho plus pizza equals nacho pizza. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what your favorite after-school snack was when you were a kid. Or if you're currently a kid, what's your favorite after-school snack? It could be this, so scroll on down to the description box, have a read of the recipe, and make it yourself, or have an elder make it. Either way, enjoy your nacho pizza, go do your homework, your syllables, and your definitions, and your protractors and right angles. Okay, bye-bye.